of House of the Dragon, the upcoming prequel series to Game of Thrones. Special guests here tonight are being treated to an exclusive preview of the very first episode, which premieres in Australia on Binge and Foxtel next week. Showbiz stars, NRL greats, and even some politicians are among the special guests on the red carpet tonight. And one of the stars of House of the Dragon, our very own Aussie actor, Ryan Corr, is also in attendance. Ryan, massive congratulations on the gig, mate. This is as good as it gets. How was the experience?
Just incredibly exciting, mate. From the moment that I got it, which was an arduous audition process, it was right at the back end of the first half of our lockdown of COVID. So like everyone, I was low-key losing my mind and sort of just wanted to get out of there. And then along comes the biggest audition / the biggest show of my life.
What can you tell us about him?
Not very much. I can tell you that he is the son of the Master of Laws, who is the Lord of Harrenhal. He was a hunter, and he was a great fighter. Sort of common born, and slowly as the series progresses, he finds himself in other places.
Which Game of Thrones character would make a good Prime Minister?
Oh, I don't think any of them, actually. You really can't go past what's happened in the last 24 hours with Scott Morrison, can you? It's a little bit Game of Thrones.
Roger, lovely to see you tonight. Game of Thrones fan?
Yeah. I said I was a late adopter, but during the pandemic I went from start to finish, so I finished all of it.
Wow, that's a hectic commitment.
Yeah.
Who would you be if you were an actor in Game of Thrones? Which character would you want to be?
Well, hopefully one that wasn't killed too early.
How will you guys react watching, the pretty full-on sex scenes and fight scenes and everything that goes on in this prequel? What can we expect from you?
He doesn't love a good sex scene. But is it gay sex, to be fair?
Not yet.
Oh, I'm out.
Hold that for it. Maddie, welcome tonight. We're at the House of the Dragon premiere. I've just got one question for you.
Yes.
Is Game of Thrones better than Lego?
Lexi, I'll let you know in a few hours because I've never seen an episode. I'm here because my wife made me come.
Now, luckily, fans don't have to wait too long to watch the show. It premieres on Binge and Foxtel on August 22.